This message is transmitted at the request of the Sacramento County Emergency Management. Civil authorities have issued a fire warning for the following counties in California: Sacramento, El Dorado. Until further notice, citizens are being asked to evacuate if you live in the following cities or areas: Gold River, Alder Creek, White Rock, Slough House, Rancho Merida, Latrobe, Brella and Brandon Corner. An extremely dangerous wildfire is approaching Sacramento at a fast pace. Those in the area are asked to evacuate immediately.